as the best start for the year of knowledge is, why do we study? Why knowledge? And I'm going to share with you some few things. And almost every book of Tazkiyah starts with this, Kitabul Ilmi wa Fadlih, the chapter of knowledge and its virtues. And I need you to feel this. I just don't want you just to listen. Feel it. Like now you are opening a book. That's knowledge. What is the virtue of it? Why do I want to learn it? I know. I can learn later. Number one, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah Al-Zumar, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Are they the same? Those who know and those who don't know? No answer. Rhetoric question, because the answer is well known. The answer is no. They are not the same in the sight of Allah. But that should not make you arrogant or make me arrogant. Oh, I am learning. Oh, I am a student of knowledge. Don't do that. Every time you learn, you will learn one thing for sure, how much you don't know. As Imam Shafi'i, he used to say, كُلَّمَا ازْدِدْتُ عِلْمًا ازْدِدْتُ عِلْمًا بِجَهْلِي. Every time I learn more about my ignorance. Look at the beauty. Every time I learn more about my ignorance. So every time you learn, you know, Allah, alhamdulillah, you are teaching me, Ya Rabbi. But how much I still don't know. They are not the same.